Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by combining the juice and sweetener so the flavor base is ready. This matters because gelatin alternatives need concentrated solids. In a saucepan, heat 2 cups of juice and 1/2 cup sugar gently, stirring. Once warm, whisk in a 3-tablespoon pectin or a cornstarch slurry, 1 part cornstarch to 3 parts cold water to thicken. Do this gradually to avoid lumps. Keep the heat moderate so you dissolve everything without breaking down the fruit flavor. You bring the mixture to a gentle simmer because controlled heat activates pectin or cooks the cornstarch without turning it pasty. Once simmering, add 1 tablespoon lemon juice to balance sweetness and help the set. Acidity influences texture. Stir constantly for 4 to 6 minutes until the mix becomes glossy and coats the back of a spoon. If you want firmer gummies, cook a bit longer. If softer, stop sooner. Make sure to skim any foam for clear candy. You pour the hot mixture into oiled or silicone molds quickly so it sets with clean edges, and then refrigerate for 1 to 2 hours until fully firm. Once set, unmold and dust with a little cornstarch to prevent sticking. This creates a dry surface. If gummies are sticky or fail to set, try air drying them for 4 to 12 hours, or remelt gently and add a bit more pectin or reduce liquid next time. That troubleshooting tip fixes texture.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.